Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to install VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code latest version on Oracle Linux standard one. For the process is same on all Oracle Linux versions. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to code.visualstudio.com. Then click on download for Linux this RPM package, or just click on download, then click on this RPM. See now, wait a moment, see download started and its size is 155 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this RPM package. Open terminal, go to downloads directory, cd downloads ls. See here we have the RPM package. We have to install it. Sudo rpm -ivh -nodeps, then code, then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire file name, hit enter. For the password of the sudo user, hit enter. See, we have installed 1.106.3 version. Now verify, show applications. See here we have the Visual Studio Code. Click on it to open. See, we got the Visual Studio Code application. Okay, the other way is close this one. Just type code on the terminal and hit enter. See, we got the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so we have successfully installed ls. This file is not recorded anymore, so I am removing it to clear the space. Rm code, then press the tab to autofill. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Visual Studio Code latest version on Oracle Linux standard one. Okay, for more Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.